we shall have to look at, we don't have any forest here, but we have some simple diagram here. Simple entire here, it means the leaf margin is smooth. It does not have any lines which are zigzag. Entire, simple entire, that's how it is. That whole leaf, how it is. So that one is simple entire, and please take note of the spellings. Our second example of simple leaves is simple lobed. The whole class, simple lobed. Simple lobed, that's how the spelling is. We have, it takes BB before you add ED. Simple lobed. And that one is the second example. We need to look at a diagram. I have our diagram here. Now, when you look at the previous diagram with this one, at least you can see there is a difference. The margin of this one here has got depressions all around, just as you see the where I'm pointing there. Those are depressions, and they move all around the diagram, all around the diagram, all around the diagram, all around the leaf. You see, that one is simple lobed. Simple lobed. You will be able to pick some of these leaves if you make a journey out with your daddy, either to Mabira or any other forest. You will be able to notice these leaves, and they can pick for you some. The other example of simple leaf is simple serrated. All of you, simple serrated. Yeah, a simple serrated leaf. Also, you have to take note of the spelling. It takes RR. A simple serrated leaf. This one is quite different from the other leaves in a way that this leaf here has got visible zigzag lines. You see the lines which are on the leaf margin when you look at it all around. And when they tell you to draw a simple serrated leaf, make sure that you also indicate those zigzag lines all around the margins of the leaf. So this one here is a simple serrated leaf. It has got zigzag lines on the margins. And then the other simple leaf is simple palmate. All of you, simple palmate. Simple palmate, I have a good example here of a tree which has got simple palmate leaves. That we have a pawpaw plant. A pawpaw plant is a good example of a plant with the simple palmate leaves. And I want to show you this diagram. That one there. Many of you, you enjoy pawpaws. These are the leaves of a pawpaw plant. This one here is a leaf of a pawpaw plant. I don't want you to mix with the simple lobed. They are not the same. This one is not the same as simple lobed. There is a difference which you can see clearly. So a pawpaw plant has got simple palmate leaf. So those are examples of simple leaves. We have simple entire, simple lobed, simple serrated leaf, and simple palmate. Those are the examples of simple leaves. 2, we're also going to look at compound leaves. Now, here, what are compound leaves? A compound leaf is a leaf with many leaflets. Now, when I say leaflets, these are smaller leaves attached to one leaf stalk. The leaflets are smaller leaves which are attached. They are separate but attached to one leaf stalk. If you find such a leaf, that one is a compound leaf. Let us look at examples of compound leaves. We shall get to know about the leaflets as we look at these examples of compound leaves. Now, one, we have compound pinnate. All of you, compound pinnate. Take note of pinnate, takes the NN, compound pinnate. Yeah. I have here a diagram of compound pinnate. Now the leaves are attached to this branch in pairs. They are attached to one on either side of the branch in pairs like this. So that one is compound pinnate. Compound pinnate. We have another example of a compound leaf. We have compound bipinnate. All of you, compound bipinnate. Not again, you alone. The way you pronounce compound bipinnate. That's good. Now, bipinnate. This one now takes different branches, taking opposite direction in pairs, and then we have leaves attached also in pairs. We shall clearly see this diagram. Notice that difference when we look at this diagram here. What I'm talking about is this one. When we're talking about a compound pinnate leaf, we're talking about only that one there. But in this case, bipinnate, there is this one, then there is the other one. However, in both of them, leaves are attached in pairs. Leaves are attached in pairs. I'm not giving you an example of compound pinnate, but a good example there is acacia tree. Acacia tree is compound pinnate. If you can have someone can pick for you acacia, you ask that acacia tree, they can pick for you, and you can look at the compound pinnate. Now here bipinnate also we have, but because we don't have any forest nearby, it is also, there are also leaves which are found in the forest because most of the trees are there. So we have compound bipinnate. Then we have compound trifoliate. Tri means three. Therefore, trifoliate, these are 3 leaflets. And a good example of this is of a plant with this kind of leaf is a bean plant. A bean plant has got this type of leaf. I want us to look at this leaf over here.